Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and I want to do a quick Sunday stock talk as I need to go somewhere the rest of the night. But so if we look at SPY first, as this is going to determine where a lot of the big name stocks move this week. As we can see here, we have these two highs that we formed after the rush down, and this is going to be our area of resistance. So obviously, stop saying that. So when we go up into this range, we know there are a lot of sellers here based off the past. So if we can get above this level, then we know we're clear to hit this level and maybe retracing then back up. But we are hitting this area of resistance and pulling back. So our next support level that we're going to look at is going to be the level at 274. So we can see this move down to 274, back up, and then back through to this next support level, resistance level, pull back and back up. That's one way, or we can just see it hit back up, a small retracement here, and then up. So if you want to look at it, we're basically looking for it to get out of this range and between this 280 range, this 280 279 range of resistance, and this 274 of support. So now let's look at our first big name stock, which is Tesla. So last week, I was like, okay, we're looking for either a pullback and a push up or just a push straight up to this next resistance level. We shot way past that next resistance level, so that's not bad. Dang it. Now I'm really running late. So this is a super strong resistance level based off the past. We have hit it multiple times and failed. So either we're going to go back here and start reversing and bounce back up, or we're just going to continue to reverse, or we are going to just bounce back up and then reverse here. In my opinion, we're starting to reverse here because we are a little overextended by now. Then Netflix, we are continuing to run up. It is time, in my opinion, for a slight pullback. I can see a pullback down to this 383 level, and then a continuation up and just consolidation. That's what I'm looking for on Netflix as we are hitting this long-term triangle breakout. Next one would be Facebook. We're just continuing to run, but we're setting all-time highs here, and we're not doing it on a lot of strength. How do I know we're not going up on the all-time highs with a lot of strength? Because look at the volume. The volume is quite low. Like, this is decent spikes of volume. Last time I hit all-time highs, look at the volume we had. The volume's quite low. So we can see a nice reversal back to the 190 level or 185 level until we reverse back up. And if we look at Micron, we're just going to bounce, and looks like we're going to be reversing here. So first spot to check is this 56 support. If we break that, we're going down to the 50 support. And then from the 50 support or the 56 support, we can go back up to the 62 resistance level. Apple, we're starting to see a pullback here. Again, this is going to be our level of support. So if we break through this area, if we break through the 185 level, then we're going to see a retracement down to back here, because that is where we have had some consolidation in the past. If not, we're going to bounce off here in this range, and we're going to continue higher. This is going to be based off the QQQs, which is basically like the SPY, but for technology companies. So if the QQQ starts to make all-time highs, then we can expect our tech stocks to also start making all-time highs as well. So this is in the video. We're still holding this constant uptrend, and we're pushing into this solid resistance level here. So we might start seeing some push up, or we're going to see a pullback down to this 253 support and then back up. Baidu. We're having the same thing. We're trending up here, and we're semi-trending, but we're starting to hit this oversold period. We're going to see a pullback down back to this little trend line here. If we can map that out real quick. Come on. So back to this support level, and then maybe a continuation upwards. AMD's been running this whole time. We're passing through. We're hitting I don't know if these are all-time highs actually, but we're still hitting pretty high. Either I'm definitely looking for a reversal. Again, don't go out and buy puts, because I said that. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes. We need to wait till we see a confirmation of a reversal. Maybe when we see it drop below the 1550 level and then trade down, or because we could just bounce back off this 16 level and head back up. And Amazon, not much. We're trending up with the QQQs as well. So I can see a slight pullback around to the 1,700 level and then back up to make all-time highs. GE constantly trending down. Maybe a nice put play. I brought this up because we are approaching a nice little support level here with the continuation of this downtrend. So I just wanted that to be a focus, that if we break below this 13, this 20, 12, 50 level, we might see some continuation downwards. BAC, nothing much, just a lot of consolidation. Boeing, we can see this little support level, so if it bounces off this support, then we can see it higher, or we can just see it drop some more. BABA, we're looking like we're getting into some resistance level here at all-time highs, so we can see a nice pullback here and then bounce back up. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I'm sorry it was super quick and whatnot, but I gotta head out. So y'all enjoy the rest of the day. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video.